You might as well watching there.
Which one? Folks, hello folks. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Lucian. Oh, this is the wrong shit. Sorry. Welcome back to Lucian in the kitchen. Yeah, welcome back to Lucian in the kitchen. So the last time I made a video with this ingredient, personal ingredient, but today this is the star of the show. Okay, we have two kinds of snails and we're gonna make a little meal, you know. So stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, welcome. To all my regulars, welcome. If you're passing through, welcome. But don't forget to give me a little like. You know, if you're not, click the subscribe button, give me a little thumbs up. Appreciate it, you know. Keep me motivated. But anyways, Lucian in the kitchen. Stay tuned. Actually, don't stay tuned. Hang on. We're working with today. You see? We got snails. Two sets. This one's already out the shell. So, okay, before we go any further, look. This snail, I've had it before. This snail, as you can see, it's still in the shell. I've never had it before. So we're gonna have some snails with some taro. But yeah, we're gonna do some snails, and we're gonna be using an ingredient we never used before. Some shrimp satay, you know. We got some tomato paste. We got some seafood seasoning. And of course, garlic and onions. So stay tuned. Lucian in the kitchen. Butter.
The one thing Wales do not want is this game to be end to end.
Butter. Butter. We have our butter, and we have some chives, some celery, you know. We're gonna put it with the butter, with the butter, with the butter, with the butter. Stir the butter, you know we like to stir it up. And of course, our garlic and onions. We have never made this meal before. It's our first time. New ingredients. You already know how it goes. Lucian in the kitchen. We hope it comes out good, and we hope you learn something today. Should I taste that shrimp thing first or no?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know what flavor, yeah. We're gonna taste this first before we put it in. But stay tuned. Lucian in the kitchen. Yeah, folks, we tasted the shrimp tongue, but we're gonna put, look, tomato paste. We're not gonna go too heavy on the paste, just light paste. Yeah, guys, we need more paste. We need more paste. Yes. Now we're gonna add our shrimp satay. 2 spoons. 2 spoons for now. We're gonna build our flavor profile for now. We're gonna see. Maguire, eh? Give me a knife. The knife. No, just give me the blue knife you're using now. Some more butter.
For them, they're working extremely hard.
Wales is playing England L'Angleterre, aka England. Yes, guys. Yes, guys, we are getting there. So we're gonna taste it to see what we're working with. Oh, we didn't put no seasoning. We only put this this and the chives, and you know, but we didn't put no seasoning. But depends on how this tastes. We're gonna add some seafood seasoning. But in the meantime, time to sample up. Young man.
Kane, Rice, stepped off ahead of Allen, came to shore. Now coming in. Jude
A little
Bellingham,
more salt, something.
Kane,
Says seasoning, right? But we're getting the right track. You see? Yeah, it needs seasoning. Man.
Savory and nice, yeah.
Okay.
Bellingham,
Hot sauce is on point.
The hot sauce is from this. The hot sauce is from this.
Oh,
Yeah.
so yeah, what's that? Let me see, okay?
Seafood.
fusion too
Yeah, a little bit.
close.
Little bit.
Like half a teaspoon.
Okay.
Yeah.
We have sous chefs in the kitchen today. We all have sous chefs. Don't worry. We have sous chef.
And then, yeah, pretty much.
So yeah, we're doing this first because like the snails already cooked. Like they're already cooked, you know. It's just they're already cooked. Okay, so I'm gonna taste this and then stay tuned. Yeah, folks, we're okay with the flavor, but we're gonna build the flavor as we go. So far, flavor is okay. Now we're gonna add them boys. We're gonna add them boys, but hang on. Yeah, folks, here we go. The stars of the show. Can you help me out there, sir? Thank you very much, sir. Yeah, then we're gonna add a little water. And we're good to go. Stay tuned, yeah, folks? Look. Stay tuned. Yeah, folks, look, you see? I wish I had some fresh, you know, parsley and stuff to put on top, but we don't have none, so we gotta do what we gotta do. You see? Snails. Sauteing. We're gonna eat some snail today. Delicious. I hope it's delicious. I'm assuming it's delicious. I'm hoping. I never ate the one in the shell before, that's what I'm saying. So I don't know, but we'll see. Stay tuned. Look, we're gonna pair it with some taro and some, what was it? Taro and shit. Taro and cocoa. All right. Yeah, should be done. Yeah, I put on a spoon already in the extra, so yeah, done. I might have a bunch of new ingredients in Danny's house there, boy.
I know.
But stay tuned, folks. Look, okay? Lucian in the kitchen. Yes, folks, look at that. Look at that. We have done. And it tastes so good. Trust me, I've had it. I've tasted it. I'm just waiting for this guy over here. But OMG, I hit another home run. Give me a thumbs up, please. Can I get a thumbs up, please? We just made beautiful, delicious snails. Stay tuned. Yeah, guys, here's our finished product. I'll show you this guy, but this guy is like, don't put me on the camera, paparazzi. I'll enjoy my food.
Hey guys, you need to get over and grab
You see that? There's our meal. Our snails. It's a snail day today. Get a good view. Come on, box. There we go. Look at that. Now I'll show you. Gonna get my hands dirty. You see the snail? You're gonna take our toothpick and pluck it out. Just like that. You see that? Just like that. I don't know if you guys can see this. There it is. I don't think you gotta move anything. But yeah, This is the shell one. I've never had it before. I'm gonna taste it for the first time. Oh wow. This is the one I was already shelled. Similar taste, but the one out of the shell tastes better. But yeah, man, what's on in the kitchen? Some snails and taro. I'm gonna murder that now. Yeah, but use the toothpick to pull it out. Yeah. Oh, no hot sauce, eh? But the sauce, woo! That sauce is so good. Wow. Wow. I'm happy with this meal. I'm happy with the shrimp. No shrimp. No shrimp. Snail. Sorry. No shrimp. Snail. He's slithering around here. He's like, oopsie. Sorry about that. Technical difficulties. But we're back. We're still here. Look. You see it? Shrimp with some taro. Wow. Wow. And you know, all of those things too, those ideas, they come up because like, so tired of eating the regular stuff. So tired of it, you know, I don't eat chicken, and I barely eat pork, so like, you know, and I've been eating lamb like crazy and fish, so like, I gotta get curious. I tried veggies sometimes, you know, but you know, veggies got nothing on, you know. So today, snails. Even yesterday, I like, you know what I had for dinner last night, bro? Calamari. I went to the grocery store, I bought like some fried calamari and a bread. I put it in the bread because I have to go in the garage. I put it in between the bread and that was it. Calamari sandwich. Oops. My snail fell. My snail tried to run away. Turbo. Oh, that's Turbo, man. We're eating Turbo. Yeah, guys. I hope you like what you see. I hope you learned something today. You know. You be like, ew, snail. Trust me. This tastes good. Alright? Like snails, shrimps, octopus, calamari. They all basically taste almost the same. No difference. But yeah, and to be honest, I actually went to the grocery store and I was looking for frog legs. No lie, we're gonna have a frog leg video coming soon. I was looking for frog legs. I didn't find no frog legs. I never had frog legs in my life, but I want to try it now. I'm convinced myself we're gonna make a frog leg video, so stay tuned. Frog leg video coming soon. Alright, I'm gonna murder this. Yeah, I showed you. You know what, I'm gonna suck my shell, you know, because my shell has a good flavor. But yeah, you see, snail, delicious. Don't judge the snail by the looks, okay? Lucian in the kitchen. I'm out. Snail life. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something today. Hope you were able to try the snails too, you know. Give me a thumbs up. You can find the snails at your local Asian supermarket, you know. Everything, you know, supermarket is the Asians. The Asians have all the, you know, the link up. Everything weird you want to eat, go to the Asian store, you must find something there. But yeah, Lucian in the kitchen. Oh, you know what? These snails taste better than mussels. These snails taste better than mussels. Straight facts. And you eat mussels, it's not weird, it's not gross, right? They taste better, they come from the same family. They're relatives. But the snails taste better. Lucian in the kitchen, I'm out. Ponder on that. Okay? Yeah, guys, this is what's left. You know, I think I'm gonna use those shells to make a necklace. You know, it still has a use. You know, if you're interested in this Lucian in the kitchen snail necklace, comment below. Shelly bling. You want some Shelly bling? Holla at your boy. I'm gonna make a a shell necklace with those shells, because they still have a use, But anyways, like I said a while ago, I said bye, but here I'm back again saying bye again. So can I get a thumbs up? Thanks for watching. I'm so full right now. Meal was amazing. Lucian in the kitchen. We're out.